Finals Most Valuable Player Award, Commissioner Sturdy.
It's my pleasure to be here with the greatest champion of them all, Bill Russell, after whom the MVP trophy is named. And the MVP of this series, with an average of 26 points and almost 10 rebounds a game, Dirk Nowitzki.
Congratulations, NBA Finals MVP Dirk Nowitzki. What was the first thought that crossed your mind when the clock hit 0-0?
I still really can't believe it. We worked so hard and so long for it. The team has been unbelievable, riding through ups and downs and always staying together and working. And I still can't even believe it.
5 years ago, you guys were up 2-0 on the Miami Heat. They won 4 straight and won the title. This year, they were up 2-1 on you. You guys won 3 straight and won the title. How'd you do it?
Well, I think we're a veteran team. We've played from behind all season long, and we came back from huge deficits all season long by believing in each other, playing off each other, playing good defense, and offensively, I think, moving the ball and having fun with each other. So this is unbelievable, and the team deserves it. The Mavs Nation deserves it. They were great to us the last couple of years, and it's been an amazing ride.
In this game, even though you guys were ahead at halftime, you were 1 for 12 shooting at halftime. Did you get in touch with your boyhood coach, Coach Holger, during recess?
You know what? I couldn't get in the rhythm today for some reason, but the team carried me all night long. They were great. Jet came out aggressive, really took over the game early. JJ was phenomenal. And, I gotta give it up to the fellas. They were unbelievable tonight and really carried me to this win.
NBA Finals champion. How does that sound?
Unbelievable. We'll take it.
Dirk Nowitzki, 10-time All-Star, 1 NBA MVP, 1 NBA Finals MVP, and 1 champion.